is Tuesday, September 10th, and today we are going to be talking about Francine, the tropical system in the Gulf. After a rather quick jump start yesterday, intensification slowed down a bit as dry air filtered in overnight and today. This has been a stumbling block, so Francine has not yet strengthened into a hurricane. Tropical Storm Francine is currently located in the southwestern Gulf, and it's moving northeast at 10 miles an hour with maximum sustained winds of 65 miles an hour. Francine is continuing to progress towards the central Louisiana coastline, and landfall is expected sometime on Wednesday afternoon or evening as a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 90 miles an hour. Tropical storm watches and warnings are in place for the coast of Louisiana, with the tropical storm warning extending through the Alabama coast. Hurricane watches and warnings are also in place for Louisiana. Storm surge watches and warnings are in effect for Louisiana, with the storm surge watch extending through the Alabama coast. Overall, the track consensus has been mostly consistent on the area of landfall. Because there is a pretty well-established upper trough that's expected to steer Francine, any potential track changes would seem to come from Francine's intensity. Intensity is directly correlated to how deep the storm is. The deeper the storm, the more of the trough it fills. Because of this, we will continue to monitor trends as shifts could still be possible, especially if Francine is able to intensify at a quicker rate than is currently forecasted. A more eastward track would potentially play a role of bringing more impacts to our area. After the system makes landfall, Escambia County will be on the eastern side. This is the side where majority of the impacts occur. Wednesday night into Thursday will be the time frame where we likely see those impacts. This includes coastal hazards, such as life-threatening rip currents and large surf of 5 to 7 feet, possibly up to 8+ feet. On top of large surf, minor to moderate coastal flooding is expected. Another threat would be heavy rainfall. Some good news here is due to our current drought conditions, most areas should be able to handle some of the rain, avoiding major flooding impacts. Still though, rainfall totals are expected to be in the range of 2 to 6 inches with locally higher amounts possible. The Storm Prediction Center has placed all of Escambia County in a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather. This is due to the potential of tornadoes. After the system makes landfall, there looks to be increased instability and shear. This means the overall environment could have what is needed for tornadoes. This is all associated with those outer rain bands. One caveat to tornado potentials would be if the system moves quicker, leading to the best shear occurring overnight when instability is at its lowest. Although this could prevent a more significant tornado event, a couple tornadoes would still be possible even in this scenario. Lastly would be gusty winds. Escambia County does have a low chance of seeing tropical storm force winds, but gusts up to at least 30 miles an hour are likely. We are continuing to monitor and will continue to update our social media as changes and updates are made available to us. Stay up to date with those changes by following the Escambia County Emergency Management page on Facebook. Thanks for spending a minute with EM.